guys, welcome back to my channel Best Tutorials. I am Vedansh, and in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to execute the Java files. So let's begin. So to do that, first you need to download the Java JDK. So guys, to download it you should go to this website oracle.com and something. Then also I kept this website description link in the description. So when you come to this website, just scroll down, then you will see some links. Then if you have a Mac, you can click on this link, Mac installer, or if you have Windows, then click on this link. So then when downloader setup something will be downloaded, then that setup will download the Java JDK. So after you download the Java JDK, you should add a system environment variable. So in the search bar, write environment variable. Okay, I wrote wrong spelling. Yeah. Environment variable. Then here edit the system environment variable will come, open that. Then here system properties something will come. Then click on the environment variables button, which is over here. Then when you click it, some things will come. So to add a environment variable, click on this new button. Then in the variable name, you should write in capital letters Java _ home. Like this in capital letters you should write. Then in the value, you should write one path. Then for doing that, open the file explorer. Then open the local disk. Then open the place where the setup installed the Java JDK. Mine is being installed in program files folder. So click on it. Then click on one Java folder will come. Click on it. Then JDK folder will come. Click on it. Then click on the bin folder. Then here all the things came. Now just double click the location. Then just copy it. Then just paste it here. So here it has been pasted. Now you should click OK. When after clicking OK, you should click OK here also. Then you should click OK here also. Then it will be done. So after you did that things, then now your Java is ready. So to make sure that your Java is nicely, completely ready, open your command prompt. Then after you open the command prompt, write Javac, not in capital, JAVAC, Javac. Then hit the enter. Then here so many lines will come. Then if you got this so many lines, then you can think that your Java is ready. If you didn't got like that, if you got Java is not recognized as a program file or batch file like that, then you just uninstall the full Java. Then after uninstalling, again install, then it will come. So here our Java is ready. Now we will make a file of Java to execute it. So here the type here to search in the search bar. I am going to open my text editor. You can open any text editor. I am going to open Notepad. So opening Notepad. So here Notepad has been opened. Now just write some Java program. I am just writing a short line Java program. So here I wrote a short Java program. Here system out printin, I will write hello world. So I wrote here. Now we should save it. Save as. Then we should write. I'm going to save it in desktop. So here in the file name I will write hello.java. Not hello, I will write main.java, because when you write main.java only it will be nice. Otherwise when you write other name, something for some people something error will come. That's why main, capital M, then A again, main. Then don't forget to write the extension called .java. Then this is done. Now just save it. So main.java, here instantly a main.java something came, a shortcut came. So now to execute it, just open your command prompt. Then this, just you should write the command line where you have saved. So cd desktop I have saved, cd desktop. Now just enter. Now I will write the you should write JAVAC Java, then main, the file name you should write capital M, main.java. After when you write main.java, hit the enter. Then after you write main.java, nothing will come in the CMD. Then in the desktop one main.class file will come. So you should just write, now you should write JAVA Java, then capital M, main.java. Now see, the file will be run, executed. Now I have hit the enter. See guys, this is done. See, the hello world came. So this is for today guys. If you like this tutorial, please like my channel, like this video. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel up to now, best tutorials, please subscribe fastly, because when you subscribe, so much support will come to us. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more latest updates and tutorials straight to you. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video.